Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the forex synthetic market. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to something that will help you to become successful trader, and that is CDC. What is CDC? CDC is Concised Deriv Forex Synthetic Indices course for becoming a successful trader. And that's why the topic is a concise Deriv Forex Synthetic Indices course for becoming a successful trader. That is the topic, and so I'm going to show you the result of this strategy, or the result that came from this course. All the trades are running in deep profit. You can never lose if you get this course, because the topic here is becoming a successful trader, meaning that you should know the difference between a failure and a successful trader. So a failure trader, or a trader that fell, is the one that never achieved anything as a trader over a long period of time or over a short period of time. Okay, so you have to get this course. You will never lose with this course. Like, this course give you 99.999 win rate. So that's why the course fee, the enrollment fee for this course is very expensive. So right now, for you to get this course, you have to enroll for this course with $500, because in future the cost, like the price, will go up to as high as $1,500. so by times 3. So don't fail to get this course. So the topic that are going to be discussed are seasons. These are the topic. So the topics are seasons, top-down analysis, path plan analysis, entry and exit method, risk management, and then account flipping. Account flipping is actually different from risk management. But why you can be a flipper and make a massive profit in a short period of time is because with this course you will never lose. This course is 100% accurate. Okay, so if you're a scalper or account flipper, this course is for you. But if you're also a risk management trader, this course is for you. This course is for both beginner trader and advanced trader who has not actually succeeded in the market, or if you have succeeded but you want to go into super success, like you want to actually make money anytime you enter the market. Any amount of risk you put, you get at least times 3, times 4, times 5, times 10 and above. You have to get this course. Okay, if you don't have the $500 to buy this course, you can actually refer people to buy this course, and you are paid 30% commission for doing that. Over time, you are going to accumulate capital to actually enroll for this course. Right here, I'm going to show you the profit we have made using this course very quickly. Okay, right now this is a fresh trade. One is on this index. You can see this is a fresh trade. So this signal was generated and synthesized using the information from this course. So if you go up, you will see cash market also running. Okay, so why can't you get this course and change your life? It's like I'm trying to help a lot of people. Okay, you see, I really want to help people to start making profit from this course. If you are among the 10 traders, 10 people who are going to enroll for this course, if you are among the first 10%, you are going to get 50% discount, meaning that you are going to buy this course at $250 instead of $500. Change your life today. Bye for now.